Summer is not joking. Okay, today is the day. I'm about to upgrade my gear, which will include new camera and new lens. I need to go and pick the packages up. But first, I have a present. I wanna put it on first. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, that was easy. I got 2 packages here. Let's start with the big one. Not a fancy knife, but does the job. Okay, but before I open those boxes, there are so many different cameras, better cameras on the market, better lenses on the market. But I was dreaming about this gear for a long time. Since I bought this camera I'm shooting on right now, which is Canon T2.8, I knew I want better camera, but I didn't need better camera. On that moment, I was okay with the crop sensor. I was okay with the cheaper camera. It was my level. My camera was my level. And now, at this moment, let me show you what's in these boxes. Alright. Instruction. Some other stuff. Charger, battery. My new camera. This is your home. You can be safe now. Okay, now second box. This is the glass. Tamron 24-70mm f2.8 VCG2. Okay, this is hood and this is the lens. Whew, it's kind of heavy. Let's try to put it on camera. It's going right here. Click. Comparing with my camera I'm shooting right now, it's like twice heavier. It's heavy, it's big. I feel like I can trust this guy. It needs a CD card. Of course it needs a card. Alright, it's working. Now I need to read the manual. Flip LCD screen. It has autofocus. Let's do some B-roll. Okay, I think that's it for today. I opened my boxes, I set my gear up, and for now I'm planning to go and shoot something on it to see what can I get. Yeah, super excited.